I came across a very interesting photo that was in the Daily Mail news site, Daily Mail UK. And I read the article. They claim that these are columns of light which were made from ice crystals in the air. And the article says the northern lights make a special effect. So I read the article and I thought it was very strange looking, and then I went down to the bottom of the page and read some of the comments. And by reading the comments, I got to thinking, well, there's got to be more to it than what they are saying that these are. So I decided to put this photograph through different filters to see if I could find anything out. And this is what I found out. By adjusting the tints and different brightness effects and lighting and shading and solarization, this is what I discovered. I believe these are 2 stargates that are opening up in the UK. If you look closely at them, you can see a doorway that is being opened up. It's very obvious. Couldn't really find anything in the sky above. But you can see the gateway, doorway, stargate effect here in the column. And then on the other one, same type of stargate effect, gateway effect. These are opening up all around the world right now. So if you see a beam of light or a column of light when you're out somewhere someday, you may actually be looking at a stargate. Here's more of a view of the photo in its entirety. And the original again. Seen in a Yorkshire town.